guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this look, or I am doing this look and you guys are watching, but yeah, I did this look and it's Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to everyone who's watching this video. I'm very festive with my love heart earrings and with all this pink on my eyes and my lips, and I really enjoyed making this look and I hope you guys do too. So if you guys want to figure out how I did this look, just keep on watching. So first I went into this pink shade and I used this color as my transition shade, putting it all in my crease. And I built this color up until I was satisfied with how pigmented it was. So if you recreate this look, just build it up to whatever your heart desires. And then this is me doing my half cut crease, and I've done cut creases so many times on my channel, but you guys know the drill. You put your concealer onto your eyelids and then you look up, and then there is your outline for how you should continue with the rest of your cut crease. Next, I went into the white shade. And the white shade didn't really do much for me. I didn't really notice a difference, but I decided to insert it into this video just in case you guys notice. So yeah, I put this white shade on, but I'm gonna later on put on a different shade. So the color that I decided to use is this very light pink, and I put that everywhere where I put the white. And I like this color because it's really pale pink, so it almost looks white. And next I went back into the first pink that I used, and I put this into the outer corner, merging it into the end of the cut crease and also flicking it to where it makes a straight edge. Next, I went into Rihanna's highlighter, and we're going to put that right in the middle of the eyelid. And I love this part because I think it really made a difference and it added a little bit more shimmer to it, and it matched perfectly with the eye look. Then I went into my Tarte Man Eater eyeliner and started doing my wing. And I always start with my line first, and then I will start doing the wing. I then went in with my concealer and a precise brush to clean up the edge of the eyeliner, also getting rid of any extra eyeshadow that I didn't want past the eyeliner, so it will look clean and nice. And then I went into my Morphe sponge to make sure that the edge blended into the rest of my foundation. And then I went back into the first pink shade that I used, and I put that all in the lower lash line. Next, I went back into that white shade, and I just put that into my inner corner, making a base for the highlight that I'm going to put on top of the white. I then grabbed this white highlighter and put it all in my inner corner. And I also put it in my brow bone. Next, I grabbed my roller lash mascara and I just applied it to my upper lashes and also my lower lashes, which I don't have a clip of, but you guys know that I did it. And the mascara prepped my lashes for my false lashes, which in this look I'm using the Iconic Light by House of Lashes, and I used my Tarte's black lash glue. And yeah, that's me struggling trying to put this lash on because it got stuck to my real lashes. Next, I used Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Eyeliner in Glam Rock, and I just did a little line where my cut crease is in the front. And sorry that you guys can't really see what I'm doing because I'm terrible and I just get so into makeup that I forget you can't see what I'm doing. But moving on to lips, I'm using the Rimmel London's Exaggerate lip liner in the shade Natural, and I'm just following the natural lines of my lips. I then went into Too Faced lipstick in the shade Sure Thing, and I just swiped it all over my lips and also dabbing it too. And that's it, we're done. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and happy Valentine's Day to all of you guys. Whether you're booed up or with your friends or maybe you're by yourself, I hope you guys know that you guys are very loved regardless. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Let me play some love music. You control my anxiety. Bring the beat in. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video.